Today we are going to discuss about this strings, tuples, sets, lists, and dictionaries. So these are some, right? We learn about the data types available in Python. So we learn about the data types. So basic data types. So basic data types are, integer, real, or you can say float, decimal numbers, integers, decimal numbers, Boolean. Boolean means logical values, integers, floating point number, Boolean, and strings. Actually, among these, so this variable can hold a value, but string, basically, string is holding a set of characters, right? String, out of this, string can hold a set of characters. So that is the specialty in the string. We can manipulate these characters one by one. So that is the specialty of the basic data types are integer, float. Integer means full numbers, whole numbers. Float means decimal or fractional numbers. Boolean means logics, and string means text. Out of this, the text can hold many characters. Text වලට පුළුවන් ගොඩක් characters තියාගන්න. In addition to that, so since there are a lot of characters in text, we can access this text, the characters basically one by one. So that is the specialty of string. And features that are there in strings can also be seen in complex data types such as tuples, sets, dictionaries, and lists. Right? Please write down this. So whatever the characteristics, whatever the behaviors in string can also be seen in complex data types. Not actually, these are not complex data types, but these are not simple as well. So these are having some additional features. That's why I named this as a complex data type. It has some additional features. So list is a set of items. So tuple is similar to list, but read only. So then set, a set of unique values or items. So the main feature is non-repetitive and unordered. Non-repetitive and unordered. That is the main feature. But other two, these are like ordered according to an index. So this is also, the second one is also ordered according to an index. But so set is unordered. So let's see practically what are they. And dictionary. So when it comes to dictionary, so NAR, right? So dictionary. So it is a set of key value pairs. Key value pairs. Indexes are the given keys. Okay, this is a short note. Okay? This is actually a short note. So please write down this short note and then let's understand one by one. Please write down this short note before we begin. So let's analyze one by one. I'm going to start from the streams. Let's start subheading streams. Okay, so let's write the subheading streams. And I'm going to open ideally. So you can do this with me, right? Okay, the first thing that I'm going to do in the ideally itself, the shell itself. Shell means the place which can test the code. So I'm not going to take a new file. So you can take file new and write a program, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to test in the shell and later apply in the file, right? Shell ekema liyanna puluwan. Shell ekema liwama it will be executed there here itself. Right? If you write in a file, you can save and execute. That is a separate story, but I'm not going to do that now. So we can later do that. So first learn it using the shell. Okay, I'm going to define a variable. So this is var1, and in the variable one, I'm going to store my name. Okay, so if you call, okay, there's a small mistake, this IE, but anyway, so if you call this, I'll let you correct this later, right? I'll let you correct this later. So first, let me show everything you can show by just say print var1, just tell like that, and then you can see everything will be printed there. So, but you can print like this. So instead of telling print var1, you can say print var1, and within square brackets, you can tell something like this, and it will print everything. No difference. So here, if I put double colon, again, no difference, will be printed everything. So, but there's a specific purpose to use this square bracket and the colon. The purpose is you can give the starting point. So let's say you give 1. Starting point is 1. And then you can see the first character is removed and it is starting from 1. So what is the first character? First character is called 0. Right? If I ask to print var1, the 0th character, you can see D will be printed. If I ask to print 6, what will be printed? 6. 0 is D. Then what is 6? Yes?
N.
It is N. Because space is also counted, right? So if I say, okay, what is 10?
N.
Simple N. That is 10. Okay, so likewise, I can print the index. This is this 0, 6, these are called indexes. So in list and tuples, we will see indexes, and dictionary also. But in set, we don't have indexes. But list tuple dictionary, we have indexes. So similar to that, I can start like this. I can give -1. Then it will be printing N. That is the last letter, right? The -1 is N. So what is D then? If I want to print D, what is the minus value for D? So it is increasing the value -1, -2, -3. Likewise, in the reverse order, increasing the minus values. So then what is letter D? Minus what? Yes. What is the number for letter D?
-22.
-22. Let's try. It is U. Counting errors. This -1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22 is here. 23, 24, 25 is here. So it is -25. Understood or not? Spaces are counted, right? Spaces are counted. It is -25. Understood?
Yes.
Right. Okay, you can print, maybe if you want multiple values, you can add them and print. For an example, minus 0, and if you want to print, then var 1 6, and you can print like dn. So if you want s as well, it is dn, and var, so what is s? N is 6, 7, 8. So let's count the minus. Minus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's minus 9 from the other end. So you can mix the positive and negative, and you can add them. This addition is called concatenation. Adding strings, adding text values is called concatenation. Right? It supports two mathematical operators. Two. So what is that? The plus is for concatenation, and then asterisk is also for concatenation. Concatenate by multiplying. So these mathematical operators are also supported in strings, right? So I'll give you time to write down that, right? So that means you can multiply this. So let's say you have this, and I'm going to multiply everything. Now I have DNS. I'm going to multiply everything 5 times, and you'll see DNS 5 times. So likewise, or you can print var1, and I'm going to multiply 3 times, and you get my name 3 times. So that is multiplication based concatenation. Okay, you can see many things can be done. So accessing the minus values, accessing the minus indexes, plus indexes. Plus indexes are ranging from 0 to the n minus 1. Plus, so positive indexes are from 0 to n minus 1. N means number of characters. Negative indexes are from n minus n to minus 1. Negative indexes are from minus n to minus 1, where n is the number of characters. So this is how the positive and negative indexes are given. Okay, so now we found the positive indexes, negative indexes, and then the multiplication based concatenation, addition based concatenation. So this concatenation can be done for whole thing also, right? var1 plus var1. So we'll concatenate like this. And if I do var, so like Mr. Dot plus var1, and it will be concatenated like this. Anything is possible, right? Not only that, okay, I didn't explain this one. So you can give the starting point. For an example, if you give 6, it will count 6 onwards. So 6 colon, again count 6 onwards. But this second colon also has a meaning. Likewise, you can give 6 up to 6, from 6 to, let's say 6 to, I need 6 to 14. It will give Nilanjan. If I need A also, I can give 6 to 15. Then it will go here 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. If you give 15, it will go up to 14. And when it is 15, it will stop. 15 වෙනකොට නවතිනවා. හරි 15 වෙනකම් යන්නේ නැහැ. 14 වෙනකම් යන්නේ නැහැ. 13 වෙද්දි නවතිනවා. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14. 14 කියන්නේ මෙතනනේ. Sorry, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 කියන්නේ මෙතන. But it will be stopped before 14. That's why Nilanjan. So yeah, if you give on 15. And not only that, so the 3-digit index, මේක මෙහෙම නිකම්ම දුන්නත් ඒක එනවා, but the third digit you can give whether to proceed one by one or whether to proceed 2 by 2, then it's printing 2 by 2. Whether to proceed 3 by 3, likewise, you can give the, right? You can give how to go. 3 by 3 do not 6 to 15, 3 by 3. Again, method first one, then the third one, then the next third, and finish. 2 by 2 do not, first one,